In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link between slides in Google Slides, whether you're creating a comprehensive presentation for your job, preparing a school project, or just organizing your ideas. Knowing how to effectively link slides can enhance your storytelling and make your presentation much more interactive. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser, head over to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. Here, you'll be prompted to choose your account. Go ahead and select the Google account you'd like to use for your presentation. After selecting your account, you'll need to type in your password to proceed. Once you're all signed in, click on Next to finalize the login process. Now take a look at the upper right corner of your browser again, and you'll notice a small grid of square dots, commonly referred to as the Google Apps menu. Click on this grid and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down through this menu until you find Google Slides and then click on it to open the application. With the Slides app open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on and click to open it. Now, locate the text that you wish to turn into a link. Highlight this text carefully with your cursor. Once you've highlighted it, you're ready to link it to another slide within your presentation. Here's a quick tip that can save you time. With your text highlight still active, use the keyboard shortcut, either Ctrl+K or CMD+K if you're on a Mac. This will instantly bring up the link menu. Alternatively, in the toolbar at the top of the page, you can look for the Insert Link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Click on it to open the link options. Upon doing so, you'll be presented with a list of slides within your presentation. Scroll through this list to find the slide to which you want your text to link. Once you find the correct slide, click on its name or number. For example, you might choose Next Slide if you want to create a straightforward sequence in your presentation. After setting up your link, it's important to test it to ensure everything works seamlessly. Navigate to the top right of your screen and click on the slideshow button. This will put your presentation into full screen mode. Now click on the link you've just created. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your presentation jump directly to the slide you selected earlier. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to link between slides in Google Slides. This technique will not only make your presentation more dynamic, but also helps guide your audience smoothly through your narrative. So go ahead, give it a try in your next presentation, and watch how it transforms the way you share information.